Well, Fragile X is a very serious disorder. It is an orphan disease that affects approximately 71,000 people here in the United States. It is a disease that is on the autism spectrum disorder spectrum, and it really does cause some very significant developmental as well as neuropsychiatric disorders in children, primarily behavioral symptoms such as social avoidance, irritability, as well as lethargy and withdrawal. And it is something that today has no approved medications that have gone through the FDA process specifically for Fragile X syndrome. So you end up having a number of off-label uses of compounds in order to try to treat primarily the behavioral symptoms in these children. We have a study that is up and running here in the United States as well as in Australia and New Zealand, where we are studying the behavioral effects of our compounds in 002, which is a CBD transdermal gel, in the study of the behavioral symptoms of Fragile X, and that study is in 16 sites here in the United States, enrolling as we speak, and we hope we will be able to complete that study and read it out by the end of the year. So the study is about 204 patients, children from the age of 3 to 17 years of age. It is a 1-to-1 randomization, active to placebo, 14-week trial, and with an extension study to allow patients to stay on drug out through a 12-month time period. The primary endpoint that we are looking at is the aberrant behavior checklist, social avoidance subscale. It is something that in our phase 2 data, we showed some pretty dramatic effects of ZYN002 on the ABC social avoidance. Key secondary endpoints in this trial include the ABC irritability as well as the ABC social withdrawal endpoint, and we were also linking it with a CGI-I, so Physician's Global Impression Improvement, that is anchored to behavioral symptoms in the kids. So we're pretty excited about this study. It is up and running, has been running since the second half of 2018, and we anticipate that we will have that data released sometime later on in the second half of 2019.